Alright, so the slide was 5. 6 is 7 is the magazine, so 6 is we got 5 slots. 6 magazine spots, so that's good. 6 is the rear slide plate. This little piece here. So I'm going to get my trusty knife, and it's a small piece. Take it off with the knife. And then just kind of use the knife to stick it on. So, you know what? It's pretty small. Not straight. Alright, well, I'll make it about as straight as I can get it. Give it a little heat. And let's get these. Grooves coming in. So, yeah. Alright, so there it is. I'm not I think that's a pretty good job. The Glock 19 kit. We'll do a quick little function check. Make sure everything works good. My slide release is still working okay. Yeah, let me get jacked up on everything. There you go. We'll take it out to the range that y'all see it. But yeah, that is not bad. Not bad. I mean, sit down, so I'm flagging myself. Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good. We'll let you guys get some close-ups of it. That is pretty good. All right, so here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.